Hey everyone, Brian here with SLG Concrete Coatings, coming at you with another testimonial, this time with Claudine over in Black Lake. She's over in the Napomo area as well. Kind of see a trend here. We love our Gulf communities, but we want you guys to take a look and see what Claudine has to say. She had a very large project. We actually plan on doing some more, but anyways, I'm gonna stop yapping and you guys check it out. Thanks again for watching.
It was very good. The person that came out, I think, was Frank, and he gave me all the information that I needed to make a decision, and so it was easy, and I was very appreciative of the price. They were always on time, even early sometimes, and worked hard all day until they got it finished, and I can't be happier with the whole process from the beginning to when it was finished. They left it perfectly clean. It looked like it'd been done forever, and like I say, I couldn't be happier.
Awesome.
I was nervous about how to keep it clean because it's so pretty. I wanted to keep it clean. So I just had to hose the deck off for about a couple of weeks ago when we had some rain, and it just came clean easily. So I haven't used a broom yet, but I understand that like in the garage I can just blow the debris out, or I can just sweep it. So to me that's very easy. I would recommend it to anybody that needs their concrete repaired or have unsightly stains, which I had on the garage floor. It covers everything. It's like almost moving into a new building.
That's awesome.
I have some outside sidewalks going up to my front door, and driveway, and the flat part that goes into the driveway I'd like to have done.
Awesome.